Sunday. Back at it once again, folks. You see where I'm at. Back at Center Hill Dam, about to get it in. Got an extra special one for you all today. We're doing the Fishing Olympics. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, folks. Appreciate you all tuning in. Let's get into it. Silly ass drum got it. Big old silly drum. It's a drum. Not a drum, folks. Probably won't fit in here. Yep.
Second trophy of the year?
Yep.
Your second trophy of the year.
I think that's got it. Appreciate it.
That might be your second trophy.
I think so.
Or no, you caught a trophy crappie.
Yeah.
A trophy drum.
Yeah. Another.
Your third trophy.
That's dope. Yeah, my bad. Appreciate it.
Right here.
Woo. I'll take that over nothing. Appreciate it, man.
And it's a legal catch. Caught him right in the mouth.
Dude, I thought he was a smallmouth at first. I just knew he was. Yeah.
You can put your thumb in his mouth.
Yeah.
He doesn't have any teeth, so he can't bite down on you.
Yeah, I just don't want him to shake his head.
My net floats. Don't worry about dropping.
Okay.
There you go.
Ah! Woo! Funky fella, you see him. This is a huge drum. This is my second biggest drum of my life. Let's get him squared away, folks. One is better than none, people. You know that.
Here, right here.
Appreciate it. Ooh, he is hooked good too.
I seen that pole kept doubling over.
Mm-hmm.
He's having trouble. He's having trouble. Let's go help him.
I appreciate that. Those, thank you, sir. Woo! Folks, you see him. He's pissing. He's pissing. He's pissing mad.
Hold him right there. Hold him right there.
Woo! Big old drum. Put the end of it on my thumb, if I can grab it. Okay. Alright, you good? You can just put them on the board, actually, if you want to have.
Bigger than 30. I think it's easily 33.
33 inch drum. Folks, you see him. He's got to go back. He's heavy. Peace out, buddy. Thank you. Like, what just happened to me?
Great job, dude.
Appreciate it, man. So guys, I'm feeling good. There's smallmouth all in this trough.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I've been seeing fish. They're not biting. They're just swimming around.
I knew it was going to be a tough day when it took 10 minutes to get to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've been trying to catch one all day, now you catch one.
Yeah, I put on a Ned rig and finally caught him.
Yeah. Should've just been fishing with the Ned rig the whole time, left everything else in the truck. Folks, we're about to go over here and climb on top of this waterfall and have some lunch. It's about that time. I'm starving right now. I haven't eaten all day. Been busy catching fish. One huge fish, one big, silly looking drunk, but I appreciate it.
This spring, in our kayaks, right here.
Yeah.
Me and him.
Yeah, no, it gets high.
What?
Yeah.
Right here.
We're right here. We were fishing right there up under that tree. The tree was on top of my head, like
were
brushing
in the
up against my head.
We were up in the tree.
I backed up because
fishing shelves. That's actually
yeah.
No, but it was all mud. You couldn't fish anything, and this was all completely covered in sticks.
The fish was sitting out there,
The fish,
and like right at the edge of this.
the fish were so the trees were so thick in here, floating up from the Cumberland, that it looked like you could walk across the surface of the water.
when everything flooded. It was all nasty.
Yeah.
You know, let loose. I landed here and there he is. And the only one that works for everybody.
If I was sitting in the water, that'd be more ominous. Up here, I'm like, okay, I do need to get down.
We have to gold medal fishing. Get him on that string. We'll get some more fish. I don't have a spear.
I just put it in your boat.
Oh,
Whew, folks, what can I say? That was a rough day out there at the dam. Sometimes it's like that. You ever have one of those days where you go out, you're all energized, you're ready to get after it. You got all your tackle together, pumped about the day, about all the fish you're gonna catch. And you get out there and you're grinding, and you're grinding, and you're grinding. And it feels like the river just put its arm around your neck and put you in a headlock and milked you up real good and then said, here, take one fish. Now get out my face. That's how it felt. But folks, I'd rather catch one fish than none at all. I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Shout out to all the guys that were out there with us fishing today. They kicked our butts. What can I say? Those guys are young and hungry, and I like to see it, folks. I look forward to fishing with them. I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up, folks. That helps me. And folks, as always, there's a lot of river out there. Catch you all on the next boat flip. Peace.